Hi friends, welcome back in channel SciTech. In today's video, do the 4G plus speed test and the download test comparison between the Realme GT versus the Realme X1 Max device. I'm really excited friends to do this kind of comparison side by side, and this is a video which lot of users they did request me to upload comparing both phones mainly. So finally I got a chance to use the two Jio SIM cards in both phones. Let's see how much speed difference can it be there and how much the download speeds can it be there. That is what my main focus will be there. So try not to skip this video because each and every small detail is very important for the connectivity in case if you're planning to buy one of the device. And during this process, I'm trying to use the Jio SIM card only. Let me try to show you the RX Monitor application. So these are the 4 applications which I'm trying to use in both phones, as you can see. So let me try to open the RX Monitor application and you will be able to see the carrier aggregation supporting, as you can see here. So in the Realme X1 Max which says 2CA 10 plus 10, and even in the Realme GT as well which says 2CA 10 plus 10. As you can see exactly the carrier aggregation or what is supported. And let me try to open the NetMonster application. And before that, in case if you want to know more details about the 4G plus speeds only, try to check the playlist which I have created for the 4G plus speed test. As you can see, once you tap on the playlist, you will find all the videos which are related to the 4G plus. As you can see, even so many comparisons, even the outdoor village type testing as well, which I need to do on the Realme GT. As you can see, so many videos we can actually find it, so which looks really cool. So make sure to check those videos. So next is the NetMonster application. Let's see what is the 2cc and what is the 3cc, whether we'll be able to get any of those kind of bands or not. Right now in the NetMonster application, we are getting 2cc's, as you can see here in the Realme GT model. So this is the Realme GT which I'm trying to use. I'm getting the 2cc carrier aggregation, as you can see, not bad. So I'm getting 2cc in this phone, and you'll be able to see in the notification as well. Now it says 3cc. Wow. This is the indoor type testing as well. It keeps on changing randomly, so don't worry about that. And right now, let me show you in the Realme X1 Max what is the NetMonster application is showing. It's showing only one band, which is 1800 band, as you can see. So don't worry at all friends, because it doesn't mean if you're having more C's, it doesn't mean more speed you will get. So that is the one thing you should definitely understand. So let's see what will be the first download test. Which phone can actually download this Spotify application faster? That is what I'm going to exactly compare in this video. First, let me try to keep the stopwatch ready. So here's a stopwatch which is ready at this moment. Let's start the test at same time. 1, 2, 3. So I did click at same time in both phones. Right now both are pending, and the Realme X1 Max was able to start the download faster than the Realme GT. So Realme GT did take a little bit kind of time, just a little bit. But meanwhile, let's focus on the speeds. What speeds we are getting and what type of band both phones are connected. So both the Realme GT is connected to 3cc, as you can see friends, 3cc in the Realme GT. This is the indoor condition. So this is the indoor condition, and Realme X1 Max is getting only 1800 band. As you can see friends, this is the Realme X1 Max. And as I said, that 2cc and 3cc will keep on changing in the Realme GT device. But overall, one thing is pretty common, which is Realme GT has got the connectivity slightly better than the Realme X1 Max. Yes, just a little bit better. As you can see friends, in terms of the speeds, you did understand, right, what is the speed difference between both phones. Now the final test is to download individual phones. So let me try to download in this phone first, Realme GT. When it says installing, then I'll try to start the stopwatch, because usually the pending depends upon the phone as well sometimes. That is the reason I thought of starting like this. Whenever I see the installing, only then I did start the stopwatch as well. So let's see what is the high speeds you are getting. So 1.5 speed it did reach, and it did download in 18 seconds of time in the Realme GT model. That's fantastic, using the Jio SIM card, not bad. And now let's see what happens with the Realme X1 Max. Pending, yes. So now let's see with the Realme X1 Max what happens with the Realme X1 Max. It was able to download very fast. Wow. So we did see the 2cc right now, not bad. And again it went up to 1800 band only. It did not remain 2cc for a long time. Again it came 2cc just now. So 18 seconds in the Realme GT, and the Realme X1 Max was able to finish in 19 seconds. So it's very neck to neck between both phones friends at this moment. That's the fantastic thing. And now let me try to go back to the speed test. So this is a round 2, which is in the speed test. Let's see. I'm using the latest version from the Google Play Store in the speed test application. And let's start the test without wasting any time. 1, 2, 3. And same servers, both phones are connected, as you can see, both phones. And let's see what speeds we can actually get. As you can see from the speeds between both phones, 2cc and 1800 band frequency, both phones are connecting. I did say before, So more Cs doesn't mean you will get the more speeds. So it may depend. Sometimes even the Realme X1 Max was able to get 2cc at this moment, as you can see, using the Jio SIM card, not bad. But Realme X1 Max was able to get slightly better speeds. So don't worry, let's do the multiple times testing, not one time. Let's do the 3 times testing continuously, then we'll be able to understand slightly better what is happening with the speeds. 4cc. The Realme GT did reach suddenly 4cc as well. Just once I did see the 4cc. So this is a complete indoor condition, friends. And right now the speeds, as you can see, comparing both phones side by side, Realme GT and the Realme X1 Max. And Realme GT slightly got 10 speeds, 10.6, not bad. I'll try to do the test one more time. So 3 times I'm trying to do the test. So I do know the video will be a little bit kind of longer, but still it's kind of really worth of watching, because you should know all these kind of small things before actually buying. So in terms of the connectivity, I do feel like both phones are slightly very close in terms of the connectivity. Nothing much difference you can actually observe at this point. That is what I did felt. Realme X1 Max is starting first. The Realme GT is taking some time, and finally it started just now. And even though it started late, I think the score is really low at this point. We are getting 2cc, but still the score is not high at this moment in the Realme GT, as you can see. It's trying its best, but no. So Realme X1 Max was able to have the really good speeds, as you can see clearly, friends. Now the final thing which I need to do is doing the individual test. So these are the tests which I did do at same time. So doing individually also matters a lot. Now let me do the test individually. Let me try to clear this. Yes, let's start the test, friends, again. So individual test, first in the Realme GT, then I'll try to do in the Realme X1 Max. So right now in the individual test also, the Realme GT was able to get 10 Mbps kind of thing, maximum I think so, 10. It's trying its hard, and I can see 3cc we are getting on the top. 12.1. So overall during this time you did observe this thing, right? So always it was able to maintain 2cc, 3cc, sometimes even 4cc as well. But the Realme X1 Max, you're getting only 1800. So randomly you're getting only 2cc. This is an indoor condition. So if you go to the outdoor, the Realme X1 Max will definitely get. So no problem at all. I'm not saying it cannot get, it can get, but indoor condition only I'm trying to talk about, in my studio room condition. So 12.1 is a maximum speeds in the Realme GT. Wow. In the Realme X1 Max, it was able to get up to 17 Mbps of speed, 17. With the 2cc I'm getting, as you can see. So same frequency, I think same band, 17.5. That's fantastic, friends, in the Realme X1 Max. Wow. Even though it has got one band and sometimes 2cc, but still it was able to maintain high speeds. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with other phones as well, so make sure to stay tuned. So Realme GT versus Poco F3 GT, Realme GT versus iQOO 7 device. So in this way, we'll be able to understand what is happening with the internet speed in this device. So till now, we did see about this speed test application. The final test which I'm going to do is the fast application. So I'll try to open fast one time in this phone, and then after finishing this test, then I'll try to open in the Realme X1 Max fast. Because few users, they want fast application, and few users, they want speed test. So that of just including both in one single video, so which might be useful for you. Once this results finish, then I'll try to open this Realme X1 Max. So it was able to reach till 14 Mbps, as you can see before, 12 Mbps. Now let's start, and finally after this one, I'll try to end up this video. I don't want to make the video very lengthy one. And Realme X1 Max was able to reach 12 Mbps without any problem. I did not see anything highest more than 12 Mbps till now. Let's see whether we'll be able to get any kind of 13, 14 Mbps or not. I think at this point, not sure, no. 13, okay. We got 13, not 14. So 11 Mbps of speeds at this moment, not bad. So this is a quick comparison, friends, between both phones and the speed test. So overall, I think you got a clear idea what is happening. So 13 Mbps of speeds, 12, 11. It was unable to get the stable network, I think. So let's see what happens, how much more time it's gonna take. 12, So it was able to maintain. Overall, I think the Realme GT and the Realme X1 Max has got same equal speeds and equal download speeds overall in my experience. So that is what I did meant. So thank you for watching this video, friends. These are the final results, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.